So hello friends and welcome back to my studio. So I am Rugved and today we are again with another video of Scratch. In this video we are gonna learn how to make a story in Scratch. Now let's get started. First you need a good background for it. Now I'm gonna make it a space story, so I'm taking a space background. Next I'll take my sprite. First I'll take Pico here, and then I'll have to take a sprite who is like an alien. Okay, now let's take something from the fantasy section. I think the wizard will be okay. I'll have to decrease its height because it's too big for Pico. Now it's so small. I'll put it, I think so, 60. Yeah, 60 is okay. And now I'll just change his direction. No, not like this. Okay. Now I'm just going to do it like this and done. Now it's here. Now we are going to design the story as the wizard is living in this space, in this planet, and Pico has to go to a particular city to meet his friend, and the wizard will tell him where to go. So let's get started. Next we will also need another backgrounds which I will tell you later in this video. So first, the wizard, when started, he'll be hidden. He'll be hide, and then Pico, when it starts, Pico will just say that I am here, but I can't see the planet where I want to go. Where is the city? Done. Now we will have to do that when it does for 3 seconds, because Pico says for 2 seconds, so wizard will wait 3 seconds and then he'll show, and then he can say hello, where are you from? Then Pico will wait 3 seconds, and then he'll say I am from the earth. Done. And then we'll put a full stop and say, who are you? Done. Now let's just make the wizard wait again. We'll do one thing. We'll just duplicate this, not the whole thing. I have to duplicate it a multiple times because we are gonna need this much time. Now next he will say, I am the wizard. And then Pico here then he'll say, I'm the wizard, and next he'll say, where do you want to go? Want to go. Then Pico will just say, I am Pico and I am headed to the city. Will you lead me there? And because this sentence is too long, we'll just give him 4 seconds to say this. And then the wizard will have to stop 5 seconds. Then he'll say, okay. And then we'll have to choose a new background. It will be Space City 1. But at the starting, we'll set the backdrop to space. Just duplicate this and delete all this and switch backdrop to Space City 1. Then Pico will say thank you to him. And because we also have to switch it, we'll just wait 4 seconds, and then he'll say thank you. done. And the wizard will wait 3 seconds. And say, well, come. Now let's see if this works. I'm here, but where is the city? Hello, where are you from? I'm from the earth. Who are you? I'm the wizard. Where do you want to go? I'm Pico and I'm headed to the city. Will you lead me there? Okay. And then the wizard teleported him to the city. Thank you. Welcome. And the story is ended. So this is how to make a story in Scratch. So thank you. This is for today. If you like so that is for today. Let's meet in the next video. Like to support me, subscribe so you won't miss any videos, and share with your friends so that they could also make videos in Scratch. Thank you.